In this lesson, we discuss associated cost vector. It is one of the definition. What is meant by associated cost vector? For which I consider the matrix form of the linear programming problem. So now I consider one particular form, maximize z is equal to cx. I am writing c, which means it is a row vector. If I write C transport, it is a column vector, right? C is a column, then C is a column vector, C transport is a row vector. Finally, whatever here we should have a row vector, right? And subject to the constraints, that is subject to, I write subject to the constraints. Here it is Ax, it is equivalent to B. In general, I write equality of constraints and the non-negative restrictions, x is greater than or equal to 0. This is what matrix form of the linear programming problem, a general linear programming problem, in which you consider two particular important terms which I explained. X is a vector which consists of x, the n variables x1, x2, xn, and where C is the cost associated with this particular vector x, right? So which means the cost is going to be associated with all the variables x1, x2 and so on xn, which means that particular vector, or we can say that matrix, right? And simply in our language we specify always a vector, right? So therefore now the associated cost vector is going to be defined for a one particular feasible solution. Now I consider the basic feasible solution xb. xb is the basic feasible solution I consider. That is not all the variables x1, x2, xn, only the variables in the basis which we call the vector as xb. So now xb is the vector which consists of only the basic variables, which is called basic feasible solution. So for example, x3, x4 are there in xb. So I write here xb is equal to x3 and x4. Then x3, x4 are basic variables. The basic feasible solution is x3, x4. Whatever the values, x3 is equal to 4, x4 is equal to 6, etc. Whatever the values. So this is known as basic feasible solution. So now, for example, CB is that for which you have again the cost, whichever the cost which are associated with this basic feasible solution, which means for example CB, I am writing the cost of those vectors, that is for x3 and x4. For example, 2x3 plus 3x4 in the cost function we have. And then 2 and 3 are the costs in CB. In this particular form you have to write 2 and 3. Okay, or if you write CB transport, then you should write it in this fashion. Whatever the way you write in the matrix form, it is not a problem. That is, if you multiply these two, you should get the value. That is only the way you have to write the matrix form, right? So CB is nothing but 2 and 3, the cost 2 and 3, the coefficient of x in the basic feasible solution. That is, CB is the associated cost vector. It is known as associated cost vector, which is associated with the basic feasible solution xb, which means now if you consider the definition, so whatever the basic feasible solution xb we have, for which whatever the cost which is going to be associated with the basic feasible solution, the cb, it is known as associated cost vector. It is known as associated cost vector. So associated cost vector is cb. It is associated with the basic feasible solution xb. Do you understand?